Namaskaram friends. So let's discuss some important issue related to environment. In this first issue is soil type and its characteristic. First type is oxysols. Oxysols are very old, highly withered tropical soils, typically found in regions with high rainfall and warm temperatures. These soils are rich in iron and aluminum oxides, which give them a reddish color. Due to intense weathering, they are low in fertility and nutrients have been heavily leached out. Second type is antisols. Antisols are poorly developed soils with little or no horizon development, typically found in areas with active erosion or deposition, such as river valleys, sand dunes, or steep slopes. They are considered the youngest of all soil type. Third one is inceptisols. They are moderately developed soils with some horizon formation but still considered immature. Fourth one is histisols. They are organic rich soils often found in wetlands and bogs. They contain large amounts of partially decomposed organic matter. So the good nutrient is histisols, then inceptisols, then antisols, and then oxysols. Second one is regarding aestivation and hibernation. The state of inactivity and a low metabolic process performed by the animals during the winters is known as hibernation. It is also known as winter sleep. It may be performed by both the warm and cold-blooded animals, for example, bats, birds, mammals, and insects. On the contrary, when animals take rest in shady and moist place during summer, it is called aestivation or aestivation. Aestivation is known as summer sleep. It is performed by cold-blooded animals. For example, bees, snails, earthworms, salamanders, frogs, crocodiles, and tortoise. Third issue is regarding small animals in polar regions. Thermoregulation is energetically expensive for many organisms. This is particularly true for small animals like shrews and hummingbirds. Heat loss or heat gain is a function of surface area. Since small animals have a large surface area relative to their volume, they tend to lose body heat very fast when it is cold outside. They have to expend much energy to generate body heat through metabolism. This is the main reason why very small animals are rarely found in polar regions. Fourth one is regarding red algae. Red algae are able to grow in depth of seas as compared to green algae because of the presence of more quantity of pigment phycoerythrin in red algae growing at depth. Phycoerythrin can absorb blue-green wavelength of visible spectrum of light that can reach the maximum depth of water and help in photosynthesizing those red algae. Fifth one is regarding ecological niche. Niche is basically the ecological or functional role of a species in an ecosystem, especially with regard to food consumption. Sorry. A niche can also be described as the interactions a species has with its biotic and abiotic environment. According to the competitive exclusion principle, no two species can occupy the same niche in the same environment for a long time. So this is all about today's discussion. Let's revise the important topics which we discussed today. First one is regarding soil type and its characteristics. Second one is regarding aestivation and hibernation. Third one is regarding small animals in polar regions. Fourth one is regarding red algae, and fifth one is regarding ecological niche. So I hope you love the discussion, you enjoy the discussion and gain some knowledge, some perspective out of it. So keep learning, keep enjoying, keep growing and spread the knowledge of your experience to the whole world. Namaskaram. Thank you.